What's up, y'all? It's your girl Raven Nicole back at it with another one. If you ever wonder how to add the little subscribe button at the bottom of your screen where you can just click on it and people actually can subscribe right from that button, then I'm about to show y'all how to do it. So let's get into it. Let's ride. So I'll go to this custom 800 by 800. Boy, move. Alright, I'm just going to type it in over here. 800 by 800. We don't really need a background. But it's okay, we can keep it there because we're going to get rid of it. Create. Then what you want to do is you go over here. Oh no, you can't even see it. Let me move it over. There we go. You go over here to the tool option. This is what I do. I don't know. You could do something else if you want to draw it or something. I like to use this tool right here. Do a big old bop, bop, bop. Make it red. Go ahead and make these stretch to the corners. And go ahead and get rid of that. Or place it. Apply. These rules and regulations do not apply. So we're just gonna get 2 more of these buddies. Big boy. And this one's gonna be white. Oh shoot. Didn't do that. Alright, so we're gonna do one of these, another one. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna make that one white. Alright, we're gonna come in, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna make that one what color? Red. You may think this looks dumb, but you may have a better way to do it. And if you do, just let me know, brothers and sisters. Cause I'm trying to figure it out, boy. That big. Okay. Looks like a kaleidoscope looking thing. Hate when you say kaleidoscope and it feels like you got all this stuff in your throat. I was eating peanuts, so maybe that's what it was. But good God. Get this little buddy here, this little arrow, make them white. There we go. Alright. And so they see this, they're like, what am I clicking on? Well, you're going to click on the subscribe. SUBSCRIBE. But I like to do stuff in all caps. Catch the eye better, I think. Maybe not. We're going to until I get to. See, this is also too. I'm going to take that back over here. It's too big. Go ahead and do 72 point. That should be fine. That should be fine today. Tell you what. Oh my gosh. Okay. I should have made this screen bigger. Subscribe. Okay, so this bad boy right here, this can be smaller. Just because it's taking up too much space, and I'm not down with the cause. That's fine. Oh my gosh. We can put it somewhere on there. I already have one. I just did. I kind of like this one better. So what you do after that is, you save it. So this is attempt number like 55. Studio Classic. Down here at the bottom. Skip that. I mean, it'll take you right back to beta every time that you do it. So it's fine, it's whatever. So then under your channel, you click. I literally don't know why it keeps stopping the recording, but it's getting on my nerves. Alright, so you go to this add a watermark. Try to do this quicker. I guess I'm taking too long. Add a watermark. Upload a watermark. So choose file. Mine's on the desktop. We named it Attempt 55. Sorry, I keep sniffling. My nose is doing some weird stuff. I mowed the yard yesterday and I'm not very good at it, so I just got that stuff everywhere. Alright, so choose, save. Save that bad boy. And right here it shows you how it's gonna look in the video. It's like, that looks bigger than the way I had it. It looks a little goofy, but it looks bigger. And it's like, this tells you when you want to start. So if you want yours to start immediately, you can go ahead and put it immediately, but 5 seconds is fine with me. So I update it. And just to see if it's working right, I'm gonna go to one of the videos. Now we have a working subscribe button so people can go on and subscribe right where they are, right on your watermark. You can do that with your logo, you can do that with anything you want, but I was just watching a lot of videos and they said people are more likely to subscribe when you have the subscribe button on there. So I mean, whatever. But if you like that tutorial, if you think I should, did something a little bit more interesting, or you want me to do other things, figure out how to do other things, and then show y'all how to do it, then I could do that. I'd be happy to do that because I'm learning, I'm still in that struggle bus. We all in that struggle bus, y'all. So this is where I sign off, y'all. So let's ride.